Hi everybody, and thanks for joining us today to watch this short video on how to start a free food blog. We're very excited to show you how to do this because we know that a number of you are not sure how to start, or maybe you're just not sure if you can do it on your own. So we've created this video and a series of training videos so you can start and make a very successful money-making food blog in a short amount of time. So now you only have just one decision to make. And that's whether you want to start creating a blog for free, which we will show you how to do step by step. It's a little bit harder, and you can change over to a more professional way later. There's no risk. All it takes is your time. And many successful bloggers have started this way. So if you just want to see if it's for you, this is how you do it. You take option one. Or the second option you can take is to take the more professional approach. It's a little easier and it's more flexible. And it's really not that expensive. It's only about 10 cents a day or $3 a month. So then you have to make a decision if you're going to invest in yourself or if you really want to invest in a simple business proposition that you can do at home. Almost all the larger blogs use this approach, using WordPress to make their blogs. And we'll show you how to do that also. So you can make a decision. Do you want to do option one and start for free, or option two and be a little more professional? If you're going to do this for a money-making opportunity, you really will need to go to the option two eventually. You can start for free and we can convert you over, and we'll do that at no cost. But you have to think down the road if you're going to do this in the long run. It's easier to start with a professional one. But we'll help you either way. We're here to help you. We've helped hundreds of blogs do this, and we know we can help you. So, as this video ends, make a decision. You can take option one or option two.